Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, the Home Cook Hero, back with a new video, y'all. Yes, and today, y'all, I'm showing you how to make the easiest, the most flavorful, and the best stewed chicken soup ever, y'all. So, if you're into it and it looks good, sit back and let's go. Alright, y'all, so the first step is to put some olive oil into your pan that's been preheated for a couple of minutes. Then go in with some chopped up garlic. You can do as many as you want to. I did about 5 to 6 cloves. Definitely scale it up if you want more of a garlic flavor, y'all. Then I'm going in with a small bunch of fresh thyme. I had it in my freezer. Y'all know I said that in the previous video, so it looks a little old and worn out, but it's not. Then I'm going to add a few tablespoons of butter, let that kind of bubble up and melt a little bit, get that garlic and that thyme toasted up in there, and then I'm going in with 8 skinned chicken thighs. Okay, I skinned them because I did not want a whole bunch of soft rubbery chicken meat or chicken fat or chicken skin, whatever you want to call it, all in the final product. So yeah, y'all, definitely skin them or take the skin off if you prefer. Definitely try that though, because you don't really want all that extra skin up in there, y'all. Then I just place them in the pan. You don't want to sear them or anything like that. It's not really necessary for this dish. And I'm just going in with enough water to make sure I cover up all of the chicken. Then I'm going in with 2 bay leaves, and I'm also going in with some chicken bouillon powder to really drive home that chicken flavor. I went in with about 2 tablespoons of it, y'all. Then I just put the lid on and I bring it to a boil. So while that's boiling for about 30 minutes, I'm just going to prep up my veggies. So I have a couple of potatoes, I have some carrots, about 3 of them, 3 medium-sized carrots, and I also have some red onions. So I'm just going to roughly dice them all up, put them in there. But y'all, just one little quick note, you can definitely use whatever kind of veggies you want. You can put celery, you can put zucchini, broccoli, whatever you prefer. Just use this recipe as a base or a guide, and you know, customize it however you like it. So y'all, if you saw, I put in some better than bouillon chicken base, about a tablespoon, and then I'm also going in with the veggies. Like I said, y'all, I kind of just rough dice them up because I like them to really be a little bit bigger to really stand up to this cooking time. It's going to be about an hour and 15 minutes altogether cooking time, so you know, I really want them to be nice and substantial sizes. So I'm just showing you how the chicken is coming along. It's kind of, you know, softening up a little bit, but it's definitely not where it will be at the end of the cooking time, y'all. This chicken is gonna stew up and really kind of shred up on its own, y'all. It's so good. So you just want to make sure you add a little bit more water if you need to make sure you cover up the veggies. If not, then you're fine, and then put the lid on, cook it for another 30 minutes, y'all. And this is what this stewed chicken soup is starting to look like, y'all. Definitely thicken it up, I should say. So I'm going in with some pepper, I'm going in with some accent to really kind of like bring out all of the flavors. Going with my Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And after that, y'all, I'm just going to stir it all up together, making sure that everything and all of those seasonings are all nice and combined. Just look at how good this stuff is looking, and look at how much that water has really reduced. And so you know that sauce or that stock is definitely nice and flavorful, y'all. We got the bay leaves in there. Look at that. Look at the carrots just like softening up. The potatoes softening up, y'all. This stuff is really coming together, y'all. That broth looks so flavorful. And y'all, we're almost there, but I'm just going to cover it and cook it for another 15 minutes or so, y'all. And this is what it should look like. So y'all, this stewed chicken soup came together so well. I'm just adding in a little bit of fresh parsley just to make it more vibrant and more colorful and more inviting, y'all. But I also wanted to say that before these last 15 minutes, if you wanted to just go in with a mixture of flour and water, kind of like swirl that together, make it into like a little slurry and add that to the pot, you can definitely do so if you want to make the sauce a little bit, or the stock a little bit thicker, y'all. But I didn't really want to in this one, but definitely do that if you want a thicker finished product, y'all, to really soak over some rice or some mashed potatoes or whatever, y'all. And also, like I said, I cut up my veggies a little bit bigger, but if you want to make them a little smaller, you definitely can do that as well. So y'all know it is now time to eat this stuff, to taste all of our hard work, to taste all of the hard work and the sweat and the time that we put into getting this stewed chicken soup together. Y'all, I just went in for that bite. I made sure I got a little bit of everything up in there, tried to get a little bit of everything up in there, y'all. I soaked that rice in that little stock, and yeah, y'all, this stuff was so good. And remember, y'all, what I said, this is definitely customizable. You can add other types of veggies in there if you want to, whatever you prefer. If you want some corn up in there, do that. If you want to put some allspice up in there, do that too, y'all. You can do whatever you want to do, because what? You're going to be the one eating it. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video. If you did, let me know down below in them comments. You can hit that like button, and you can share my videos with other folks and let them know about me and my videos. You can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this one every single week. All right, y'all, so with that said, I will see you in the next upload. Later.